So friends, if you have your account in Groww application and in Groww app, it is asking you to re-verify your KYC, then what is the reason for that and how can you re-verify your KYC? I am going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So friends, before going ahead, I need to tell you one thing, that the process is going to be same in iPhone and Android phone as well. So it doesn't matter which phone you are using. So first of all, you need to open Groww application in your mobile phone. Once you open the Groww app, go to mutual fund section over here. And if you are on explore page, you might get an option saying that verify your KYC via Aadhaar. Now, as per new SEBI rules, you need to re-verify your KYC using Aadhaar to continue investing in mutual fund. Now, you might be thinking that I have already done the KYC, but why it is still asking me to re-verify the KYC? So to find the answer for that, you can just simply go to profile section, go to customer support option and go to my account section. Now in that, if you go to KYC section, you can check for the question like, why do I need to re-verify my KYC? And if you go in that, it will give you details or answer for that. So to buy new funds, your KYC must be confirmed by central agency as per SEBI rules. And if you do not confirm it, your orders might be rejected. So you can check this out. And if it is asking you to re-verify your KYC, then now I'm going to tell you how you can re-verify it. So again, go to mutual fund, go to explore page, and over here just simply tap on verify now. And on the next page, basically it will show you DigiLocker and document for KYC. All you have to do is just simply tap on proceed option. Now it is asking for permission, so you need to tap on allow option to give the permission. On the next page, you need to enter your Aadhaar number. Once you enter the Aadhaar number, enter the CAPTCHA over here and then select next option. So I have entered the Aadhaar details, I have entered the CAPTCHA. Let's select next option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP here and select continue option. So I have entered the OTP. Let's select continue. Now you need to enter 6-digit security PIN for your DigiLocker account. Now I have entered the security PIN. Now let's select continue option. But if in case you don't remember your security PIN for DigiLocker, you can just simply tap on forgot security PIN option and then you can reset it. So now let's select continue option. Now this is the verification page. You can just simply check it out and you need to give the permission for that. So you can select allow option over here. Now it is fetching the document, as you all can see. And now you can see the documents are submitted successfully. Now on this particular page, you need to take a selfie for the KYC. So yeah, just select open camera option and then take a selfie. Now after taking the selfie, it will take you to this particular page which says finish account setup using Aadhaar eSign. So all you have to do is just simply tap on proceed Aadhaar eSign. You can check out the mobile number which belongs to Groww application and you have to just simply accept the terms and conditions. Tap on proceed option. You can check out the account opening form over here. You can just simply check all the details. Just simply tap on sign now option. Again, you have to check this box over here and next you have to enter 12-digit Aadhaar number. Now once you enter the Aadhaar details, tap on send OTP option. Again, you will receive an OTP on your registered number and email ID. Enter the OTP and select verify and sign option. So I have entered the OTP. Let's select verify option. Now you can see document signed successfully. Again, you have to wait and now everything is done. So if I go to mutual fund option, now you can see it is still showing me verify now option, but we just now did the verification process. So why it is showing me this? So if you go to profile option once again, and if you go to customer support, and again if you go to my account and KYC, and if you select this re-verify KYC option, now over here you can see it may take 5 to 7 working days to confirm. So till then it will always show you that re-verification message. So no need to worry about that. We have already submitted the documents and now we just have to wait for the verification to get completed. So this is how simple it is to do re-verification process of KYC in Groww app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.